Sometimes it is very difficult that when you are doing something very important and you can't fit all the text. For example, just say calendar, this is day 1, day 2, day 3, day 4. Just say these are 30 days, and January to December. So this is whole year's calendar within a couple of seconds. Obviously, let's add another day. This meant to be 31st, but not all the months has 31st, so we can actually manually get rid of it. So this text, we don't want so much spacing, we only want this bit. So what we can do is move this text upwards. So highlight these 3 cells, right and click, format cell. You can merge the cell and wrap the text and turn the text that way. So you can see January, and you can just highlight all that, and then double click on you can actually highlight all the cells all the way down, and then you can format the actual width. So just say I want to give that 5. As you can see, everything fits in so nicely. So this is a small calendar whole year within 1 second, within like not 1 second, but I'm more exaggerating, with short span of time. So this is whole calendar for 12 months in one small sheet. So January 1st, you can actually do days as well. It will be difficult to put days. Monday, scroll down. That's done. Okay, how to take something into Word. You highlight this, copy it, and go to Word. New document, and paste it. There you go. Sometimes what happens is when you paste there, you don't know what's happening, you can't see any borders. So all you need to do is right hand click on there, go to table properties, table, borders and shading, and I always go for the borders, do all that, and select what type of border you want, and OK it. It's nicely done. So this is your whole year's calendar. So if you want to see, you can make notes that on January 1st, you can just put notes whatever, or maybe circle out whatever is somebody's birthday, or just to give you a quick reminder. So this is whole year in so small text, small size. Yeah, thank you for watching. Goodbye.